Hey there, future GRE conquerors! Today we're diving into the world of vocabulary with a word that's sure to impress: abase. This little word can pack a big punch in your GRE verbal section, so let's break it down. First things first, what does abase mean? To abase is to lower in rank, office, prestige, or esteem. In simpler terms, it means to humiliate or degrade someone. Picture a mighty king suddenly forced to kneel before a rival. He's being abased. Now, why is knowing this word important for your GRE success? The GRE is designed to test your understanding of a wide range of vocabulary. Words like abase often show up in sentence equivalents or text completion questions, where understanding subtle differences in meaning can make all the difference. Let's look at abase in action with a couple of sentences. The CEO's corrupt actions abased him in the eyes of the public. Here, abase shows how the CEO's reputation was lowered due to his actions. Another example, she refused to abase herself by apologizing for something she didn't do. In this case, abase illustrates her refusal to degrade herself unjustly. You see, mastering words like abase not only boosts your GRE score but also enhances your overall communication skills. Being able to express complex ideas succinctly and precisely is a valuable skill both in academic and professional settings. So how can you make sure abase sticks in your memory? Try using it in your daily conversations or writing. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you during the test. You can also create flashcards or use apps like Anki to reinforce your learning. Remember, the GRE is not just about cramming a bunch of words into your head. It's about understanding their meanings, nuances, and how to use them effectively. Building a strong vocabulary is like adding tools to your toolkit. Each word helps you tackle GRE questions more effectively. And there you have it. Abase is a powerful word that's sure to help you shine on your GRE verbal section. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to GRE success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more GRE tips and tricks. Good luck with your studies, and remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to your dream score. Catch you in the next video.